Good day, Miss Ronaldine. How are you today?
I'm fine, sir, madam.
Please tell me about yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I'm Ronaldine Romasanta, 27 years old. I'm married with 2 kids. My husband is construction worker. I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. My father is farmer. My mother is a housewife. I'm a college-level housemate in the Philippines from 2 years. Since February 2011 until March 2013. My major duties baby care age 0 to 2-year-old.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of baby?
I have to feed the baby, change diaper, taking a love baby very much, treat the baby as my own child. I hope sir, madam will consider to employ me. I promise to serve your family. Thank you, sir, madam.
Aside for taking care of baby, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Sir, madam, ironing, dishwashing, cooking, and the cleaning in the house.
What do you think is the reason why the baby is crying?
Yes, sir, madam, is baby diaper is wet, is hungry baby.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. To the follow roles in my employer.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
For the future my kids.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Sir, madam, once again, I'm Ronaldine Romasanta, 27 years old. If you choose, I promise to take of your family and to promise finish 2 years contract.
Thank you very much. Not to visit in Hong Kong before we end. Can you show your best smile?